Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and testing out this vacuum, showing you guys how to use it. I can't wait, I'm super excited. I've been waiting for a new vacuum for a while now, and this cordless vacuum cleaner. So we're gonna open it up. I will put the link in the description of the video. So here we go. Alright guys, I have everything out here. It says this is the main body, and then this is the power head, telescopic tube, dusting brush, charger, because again it's a cordless vacuum, which I am super excited about. This is going to be awesome. Alright, so we're going to put some things together. So there's your telescopic handle, and we can attach this right onto here, just like that. Let's give this vacuum a try. This telescopic handle, all you do is push this button here and it extends. You push the button once for regular mode and twice for turbo mode. Here we go. It swivels pretty cool too, watch. I love the lights. Look how far it goes under my couch. How cool! Look at this. I can carry my phone around. I can record while I'm doing this because it's so lightweight. With one hand, I am vacuuming my stairway while I'm recording this video. Amazing. Get up here on that cloth. We can do some more windowsills. Hey, why don't we do the top of the TV? It is so lightweight, you guys. I'm literally holding this vacuum with one hand and recording. And the cat is still sleeping. This vacuum does not scare the cat. So just to give you guys a good idea of how the suction works on here, I crumbled up some Cheez-Its and made a mess. So we're going to see how well this cleans up this mess. We're going to dump all that into the trash. Okay, you can take this out too. We're going to empty all that. Look at that. Look at how much good stuff it picked up. We have 3 cats. Pull this out too. We're going to make sure to clean that, empty that. And then this goes back in like that. So you can wash this. It's all plastic. There's a mesh filter right here. You can wash this with water. And wash this also. Just wash them both till there's no dust on. Just use regular water. Make sure this is dried for 24 hours before putting it back in here. And then you're going to put this back up in here again. You can also clean the HEPA filter on here too. So you see that, the lock and unlock, you're going to just twist it to the unlock and you can pull this out. What you're going to do is dump out all the debris that's in there. See, there's just a tiny little bit of dust from the vacuuming that I did here today. Wash it and let it dry for 24 hours before you put this back in. So we have the brush roller in here, and you can clean this as well and pull this out. It's your locking button. Remove the roller. See all that hair just from that few minutes of vacuuming? It's got some good suction on here. So you can shake out the debris, it says, and clean out these hairs. Makes me wonder how much my old vacuum was missing. Okay, we're going to put that back in. Just press it down into place. I'm going to take that locking clip here and put that back in. And then we have the battery pack. There's an indicator light right here that tells you how charged it is. 3 blue lights on indicate full power. That's going to slide on just like this. Here's your on-off switch right here. is the telescopic handle. This extends by pushing that little button there, see that? And it connects to here just by inserting it like that. It's super lightweight. We connect this here to the power head, just like that. You have your crevice tool here. Attach it here to the telescopic. Give it a try, Gracie. Gracie, is that vacuum way lighter to use? Is that vacuum way lighter to use?
It's lighter. Yes.
Yes? Way easier to use than the other vacuum we had?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you for demonstrating for us, Grace. This is my 6-year-old Olivia, and she is able to do this with just one hand. Look how easy it is for her. She is having a ball. Go, Livy Lou, go! It's so light, isn't it? Look at her.
It's easy to vacuum.
Super easy, right?
I'll pick up the vacuum. Mom, you found this off Amazon?
Yeah.